We are thrilled to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can stop repeat on Apple Music. So if you would like to put the song off the loop, you will need to open the song's playback, then tap at this hamburger icon here, and then switch off this loop icon or indicator. Make sure that it stays at this state. The icon looks exactly the same in your case as it is in mine. And well, that'll be it. The song has been unlooped successfully, and now, once this song ends, the next song, in our case it's Blank Space, is going to start playing. Let's quickly confirm that. So now the New York song is playing, and it should automatically switch to Blank Space. And, well, switch it did. So, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.